Today. Yes, I did for class.
All right. Greetings, everyone. It's my pleasure being with you guys this evening. And I know we are also happy to be here for this event today, my Binance class event. My name is Golomo Stanley, and I'm very happy to be with you people this evening to share this wonderful program with you. And as you can see from the screen, I'll be sharing now. This event is an event that is powered by Binance. And it's a unique program that is designed to help Africans and people globally to be able to understand what happens in the global financial market, especially using modern technology like blockchain technology and other tools that are being used to carry out trading activities in the global financial market. So this program is going to be a very unique one, and we're going to run it very fast. We're just going to spend about 1 hour, 20 minutes to run the entire program. So please stay tuned. In the next 2 minutes, I'll start sharing my slides for us to get started in what we are here for today. So once again, I want to welcome you all to this program. My name is Golomo Stanley. I'm a crypto trader and also a digital asset manager for this Digital Assets Limited. I'm based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Although I have a background in civil engineering and real estate development, but I have a great passion for educating and also a great passion for cryptocurrency, blockchain, and the digital economy. So my passion is to see how people globally or within my own status, my own sphere, could be able to learn and gain access to the basic tools that could help them to be able to play around the global financial market. So today we are going to really focus our attention on Binance. Remember, this program is sponsored by Binance. Binance is a global blockchain exchange platform. In fact, today it is rated as the biggest exchange, biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world when it comes to trading by volume. They are the biggest, and also they are the exchange, the biggest exchange in the world when it comes to financial products. They have various financial products, of which, if time permits us, we are going to discuss about some of these financial products that are available on Binance. So you are welcome to this program. We want to make somebody an admin in this group that will help in admitting other persons. Okay, I think Kenechukwu will be joining shortly. So Maazimba is here. Maazimba, okay, and Kenechukwu, I would like to make you a co-host. Hello. Okay, Maazimba, I don't know if you are in a good position to serve as co-host to assist.
Yes, I'm here. Okay.
I want to make you a co-host, so you can assist me in adding.
All right.
And also, one other good thing you do for me.
Okay, no problem.
As I've made you the co-host, at a point you start the number of attendants you have. you could definitely take a screenshot from your device if you can, so that we could have a picture of the number of persons in attendance.
Like at what time? How many minutes into the class?
The first 50 people. Come on. To enter the game. They get gift for the first 50 people to enter.
Stanley, you have muted yourself, so we are not hearing you. Unmute yourself. Okay, can you hear me now?
Okay, good afternoon.
All right. So please, I want to mute everybody so that you can hear me well. I want to mute everybody. Okay, so please, if you are not speaking, please just make sure that your mic is muted so that we can hear just one person. Thank you very much for your understanding. And please also, if the co-host, please take notes. If we notice any noise, please help to mute everybody.
Copy that.
All right, so this evening we'll be looking at the basics of crypto trading. I've already introduced myself at the onset. My name is Golomo Stanley. I'm a crypto trader, and also okay. Let me just share the info of myself. Okay, so this is who I am. Like I said earlier, I'm Golomo Stanley. I'm a crypto trader. I'm a digital asset manager at East Digital Assets Limited. We are based in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. My personal mission as an individual is to accelerate Africa's transition into a sustainable and developed economy by leveraging innovative technologies, capital, and policy. Like I mentioned earlier, my background is in civil engineering and real estate development, but I'm a passionate person. I'm passionate about cryptocurrency education and driving adoption of blockchain and crypto assets in Africa. That is the reason why I'm handling this program today, to help you all to see how you could key in to this global financial market using a very, very convenient platform that we'll be discussing this evening, which is the Binance platform. At the end of this event, we should all know what Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are, how blockchain works, and also several use cases of blockchain, and also how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies with your local currency. This program basically is going to focus more on how to carry out buying and selling of cryptocurrencies with your local currency and how to trade on the Binance platform. These are what we are going to be looking at this evening. You can see my right, you see my Binance UID. In the long and the course of this program, I'm going to tell you what to use that UID to do, what you're going to use it for. It is very, very important. So that is who I am. So now we want to go straight to the slide for the evening, which is the basics of crypto trading. The basics of crypto trading. So this evening, we're going to see how we can, okay. Good. So this evening, we are going to be looking at the Binance platform, which is the tool the trading tool that we'll be focusing on is an exchange. Binance is the world's leading blockchain and cryptocurrency infrastructure provider with a financial product suite that includes the largest digital asset exchange when it comes to volume. It is trusted by millions worldwide. The Binance platform is dedicated to increase the freedom of money for users and features an unmatched portfolio of crypto products and offerings. I mentioned that earlier, that when it comes to crypto portfolios, when it comes to financial products, Binance offers the largest in the world today. There are so many financial product services that you could find on the Binance platform. So it's not just an exchange, but it's a global financial infrastructure. It's an ecosystem of its own that could help you to see various means that you could participate in the global financial market. So we want to look at first what trading is. Remember, we are going to be talking about trading this evening. But first of all, it is very important that you understand what trading is. Trading is just simple. It's in a simple term, we call it, it's an art of buying and selling. It is a staple of economics. It refers to the buying and selling of assets. Whatever the asset is, it could be physical asset, it could be virtual asset, it could be digital asset, whatever you call it. But the art of buying and selling is what is called trading. For example, you go to a shop, you carry your money, maybe you take your 1,000 naira, you go to a supermarket and you buy maybe a packet of sugar. You buy that sugar for maybe 300 naira. You will give 300 naira to that person, to the seller, and you, that is the buyer, will receive sugar in return. That medium of exchange is trading. So you've traded your 300 naira for one packet of sugar. And also, somebody can go to a shop to buy a PC with this money. That is an art of trading. You could also use your asset. Maybe you have a phone, and you take your phone to a shop to buy something, and you give them your phone in exchange for a laptop. That is trading. You are trading one asset for another, using your phone to exchange for a laptop. So that is what the art of trading is. So to cut the long story short, any activity where you give something to someone in return for something else is a trade. So it is very important for us to understand this simple principle, because this simple principle will help us to understand where we are going to, what we are about to delve into in the crypto trading market. And this principle really extends to the financial market. We trade financial assets like stocks, bonds, forex pairs, options, cryptocurrencies, and so on and so forth. Don't worry if you don't understand what this term really means, but at the end of this lesson, you will be an expert in what we are talking about. Remember, I promised you at the end of this class this evening, you are going to be an expert in the cryptocurrency trading industry. Now, we need to understand the Binance platform. I want to show you, like I promised you this evening, I will be showing you the Binance platform and what it's all about.
Please stand or mute your mic. I have to mute other people.
So I believe the Binance platform, we are going to look at it very carefully. This class is a practical class. So I'll be taking you through a practical process of the Binance platform. If you've not downloaded your Binance platform, don't worry yourself. In the course of this program, I'm going to share you the link where you can download your own Binance. You can register on your Binance platform. And remember, I promised you something very unique, that there will be a bonus. There will be a bonus for everybody that will be registering using my unique ID that I flashed in the beginning. So I'm going to share the link with you, if either while the call is going on or after the call. I'm going to share the link to every participant here so that you can sign up. And remember, when you sign up and you carry out your first trade, Binance is automatically one very unique thing that Binance is doing with respect to this particular program. So this is the Binance platform. This is an example of the Binance platform. On the Binance platform, the trading aspect of it, basically, you're going to see your trading chart, which is your chart. that will help you to be able to carry out analysis on your trading activities and the rest. We're going to look at that as we go on. We're also going to see the market share section where you will be able to see different pairs. Yeah, what pairs of market are you trading? Are you trading Bitcoin with Ethereum? Are you trading Bitcoin with Icon? Are you trading Neo and Bitcoin, Elf and Bitcoin, and whatever? These are different trading pairs. Like I mentioned earlier, that if you go to the supermarket, you carry your phone to buy a laptop. The trading pair in that transaction is the phone and the laptop. If you carry 300 naira to go to a shop to buy a packet of sugar, the trading pair in that transaction is your 300 naira and that packet of sugar. So that is what the trading pair is all about. It's not a big grammar, it's just a simple grammar. What you are exchanging what with is a trading pair. So if you carry 1,000 naira to buy a phone, that phone and that 1,000 naira, the naira, they are a trading pair. So on the Binance platform, you are going to see the section that you see different trading pairs, different assets that you could trade with. So it will help you to be able to know what you want to buy and what you want to sell. You are also going to see the order box. This order box is where you're going to place your trade. In the long run, we are going to see practically how this thing works. Right now, I want to take you straight to the Binance platform, where I'm going to share my screen on that area. Let me. Okay, so I want to take you straight to the trading platform. Okay, I believe you can see my screen very well. So this is just what the trading interface looks like on the Binance platform. I'm going to log in right now so that you can see the login in proper, and then we'll see how it works. Okay, so I'm logging in. Let me just put in my two-step verification code so that okay, so it's loading. All right, so this is how the trading interface on the Binance platform is. On this Binance platform, we have a lot of products, like I made mention, although this particular class is not designed to start explaining the basic feature. Maybe in the subsequent class, we're going to look at other basic features, but I'm just going to introduce them very, very brief. If you come to this is the background, the interface of the Binance trading platform. And on that Binance trading platform, you can see where you could buy crypto with various currencies. You could buy with bank deposits, you could buy with credit card, you could buy with your P2P, the P2P trading, you could buy with your cash balance and the rest. And if you are dealing with the currency you are dealing with, it can mean like here you can see Naira, because I'm using Naira to carry out my own trading on Binance. Then on this box here, you could see different products that Binance has, like the Binance Exchange, which is the one we are going to focus on this evening. You have the Binance Academy. On the Binance Academy here, you have various tools that you could use that could help you to become very equipped in carry out your financial activities here on the Binance platform. And also, even if you want to use other platforms, the Binance Academy can teach you a lot on blockchain technology, on trading activities, how to use your trading chart, and various programs that are available, or topics that are available in the Binance Academy. We have the Binance Broker section, we have the charity, we have the cloud, the tech, lab, launchpad, and also the research section. These are some of the products that Binance has. Then this is the market. Remember, I talked about the market pair initially, where I said that you'll be able to see different pairs. Which market are you trading with which market? So this is just how what you see on the market section. On this market section, you can see here now, these are pairs, these are market pairs, like this Binance coin, which is BNB to USD Theta. If you want to trade BNB with USD Theta, you see it there. If you want to trade BTC with USDT, you see it there, Ethereum USDT, EOS USDT. These are market pairs, and these are various market pairs. On the Binance platform, we have hundreds of market pairs that you could trade with. So depending on the coin you want to trade with, you just come to the market section and search for the pair right here on this platform, on this area. So once you see the pair that you want to, you just simply go to trade, and they take you to the trading platform straight away. For example, if I want to trade BTC Nigerian Naira, this is just how it looks like. I go to trade, and they take me to that place. This is BTC USD Theta. I click on trade, it will take me straight to the trading platform where I will carry out my trading activities. Or you simply come to trade here, and once you click on trade, it will take you to the basic trading platform where you just do direct exchange. Then you have the classic, you have the advanced trading platform, you have the margin trading, OTC, and then the pay-to-pay. Then we have the derivative aspect. For those who are trading derivatives, you can also carry out the derivative and the trading here, including leverage trading. All of these are done here. Then these are some of the financial tools that are also on the Binance platform, like the Binance N, where you can save your cryptocurrencies on Binance, and you go to sleep, and you get returns regularly from the Binance N platform. We also have the Binance Pool, where you can also take different cryptocurrencies. You mine, basically for mining of Bitcoin. You mine Bitcoins on the Binance Pool, where you take particular amount of Bitcoin, and then using AMP miners, connecting yours to the Binance Pool, where you can get rewards in Bitcoin, carry out transactions, and earnings. So this is what happens on the Binance Pool. Then we have the Binance Visa Card. That is also a new platform that also has been launched. We have the crypto loan. We have the liquid swap, which is also a new feature that can also help you to see how you can leverage on the Binance platform to carry out various financial activities in the global financial market. Then this is the wallet section, where you can see your wallet overview, your fiat and depot and spot wallet balance. There you can see it, your margin, features, pay-to-pay, savings, pool, cards. These are the various wallets that are available on the Binance platform. Then this is where you can see your orders. If you place any order, you can also search them right here. And these are various tools. So on your own, you can take time to study these various tools at the top. So this evening, we are able to focus on the trading platform. Now we are on the trading section. So you can see the screen very well. Like I made mention on that slide, this is the trading, this is the chart. This is the chart section where you can carry out various analysis. You can analyze your crypto. If you click the chart, you can expand it, and you see your chart. So these are for crypto traders. You can use this chart to analyze the historical data of the particular product, see how it has behaved over time. This can help these traders to be able to make an informed decision of where the price is headed to, whether it is going up or it is going down. With this determination, they're able to know how to enter the market or when to exit the market. So this is what the chart helps us to do, and the chart has various tools that you could use to be able to carry out your analysis on your chart. So that is the chart section. Then we have the order book section. This is the order book area. This is where you see those who are buying and those who are selling. This is the red section where you see people who are buying, who are selling. They are the ones on the red, and those who are buying are the ones on the green. You can see how the movement is going. People are buying, people are selling. This is what you see on the order book. Then we have where you place the order section, where you place your order. This is where you could be able to place your price, how much coin you want to buy, the amount you want to buy, and also what you need to pay to get the amount that you needed for. Where we have the limit order, we have the market order, we have the stop limit order. We are going to look at all of this. So this is just an overview of this market section. At the bottom part there, you see your open order. If you have an open order, like I have an open order for KUSD, and you can see your order history here. Click here, you'll be able to see your order history, you see your trade history, and the rest. Then here you see trades that are already executed. These are the various trades that are executed at this bottom. You see people who are buying, you see the exact time frame when these transactions are carried out. This is exactly what you see right here on this trade section. So this is just what it is like on the trading platform. So it is something that over time you keep practicing it. As you keep practicing it, you get more acquainted with it. Now we want to go back to our slides. All right, so we want to look at some basic terms that you must understand in the market. We have the market pairs and order types. A market pair, like I've mentioned before, is the idea of the two assets you are exchanging. Which assets are you exchanging for the order? That is what a market pair is. So if you are trading Bitcoin for Nigerian Naira, that is a market pair. X for BTC is a market pair, and so on. That is what a market pair is. So there's no big grammar about it. So it's just a simple term of what the market pair really is. Then we have the order types. We have the buy and sell order. These are the two major types of orders we have. It's either you are buying or you are selling. That is what an order is. It's either you are placing an order to buy or you are placing an order to sell. These are the basic things about an order type. But in the process of buying and selling, there are some things that a trader must know very, very well on the platform, on the trading platform. First of all, we have the limit order. What is a limit order? A limit order is an order to buy or sell an asset at a specific price or better. This price is called the limit price. A limit buy order will execute at the limit price or lower, while limit sell orders will execute at the limit price or higher. So when you are setting a limit order, you are basically saying, I would like to execute this order at this specific price or a better price, but never worse. So what are we saying in essence? If you are trading, you want to place your market at your own price. You will choose your price and place the market at that price. Then we have the market order. The market order is simply telling the system that, look, I just want to buy my market. I don't want to waste time. I just want to buy this product at whatever price, the best price that is in the market. So once you place your market at your order at the market price or the market order, the system automatically just either sell for you or buy for you instantly. You don't want to waste time. You don't want to start setting your own price. No, let the system automatically place the market for you, and it does that for you. That is what the market order does. Then we have the stop loss order. Now, this stop loss order is like you want to be very careful. Once you have a financial an asset, you don't want this market to go against you. You have placed your order to sell at a particular point, but at the same time, you want to protect your assets so that in case the market is going against you, your stop loss order will automatically trigger, and it will automatically execute your trade for you, even while you are not there. So the stop loss is basically used to stop your order if the market is going against you. Now, a stop loss order is a type of limit or market order that's only activated when a certain price is reached. This price is called the stop price. The purpose of a stop loss order is mainly to limit losses. Every trade needs to have an invalidation point, which is a price level that you should define in advance. This is the level where you say that your initial idea was wrong, meaning that you should exit the market to prevent further losses. So the invalidation point is where you would typically put your stop loss order. These three things that I mentioned here, we are going to look at it practically this evening. So, like I said, this is a practical class. So right now, I will go back to the trading platform and we'll see how we can carry out these three steps that I mentioned here. Although at the end of this program, I'm going to share you my YouTube channel. So once in a while, you can visit my YouTube channel. I use, for especially those who are using your mobile app to carry out trading. You see how you can apply some of these principles here on the YouTube channel. You see how you can set your limit order, your market order, and also how you can set your stop loss. So that in case you miss out this class. But also at the end of this class, this video too, if you also need access to this video, we can also make it available for you. So want to go straight to the trading platform right now, so that you can see how this thing works practically. Now, okay, let me share the screen so that you can see it. Okay, so I believe you can see my screen now. So this is what I mean. Remember, we talked about three types of markets. We talked about the limit order, we talked about the market order, and the stop limit order. Now, remember that I said the limit order, you are the one that is deciding what you want to sell your market. Now, for example, if you look at the market here, oh, I have some Bitcoin that I want to sell. Okay, I said, okay, this Bitcoin I want to sell it at a particular price. I said, okay, the market now, if you look at the range, is within $15,474 per Bitcoin. And then I want to sell mine at, say, maybe 15,300. Remember, you can see 15,272. And people who are buying, we have 15,270. I say I want to sell 15,300. I will just simply come here because now I put my market on limit. This is limit. So I come here and I place my market for 15,300. So I'll put 15,300. So I'll put my 15,300. What is the amount of Bitcoin I want to sell? I can decide that, okay, you can decide you want to sell 25% of your assets, or you want to sell 50% of the assets, whatever the amount you want to sell, or you want to sell 100%, you click 100% that you want to sell. You cannot place your market. So this is just an example of what I'm saying with the limit order. So once you determine the amount you want to sell, like now I've said, okay, I want to sell 25% of what is here, which is about 12 USD. So I now place my order. This is the limit order. So once I place it, you see it will now play limit order has been created. So I placed for 15,300. So once this price gets to 15,300, it will automatically do what? Sell for me, because I've placed my limit order. That is just how the limit order works. It's as simple as that. Now I've placed my order. If I decide that, okay, I want to change my mind, I can simply come to this button, because this is your limit order. Oh, the order has already placed, it has already sold for me at 15,300. Even before I could think of going to cancel it, the trade has already been executed. It has been executed. So if I go to my order history, you see now, I just placed a trade now for BTC, and it sold for me for 15,300. And now the market is still going up. It has gone to 15,323 US dollars. Now that I've proved that, that is how the limit order works. Now, what about if I want to place a market order? That one, I'll just come here, click market. In the market order, you just have two things to decide. You now decide what is the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. Is it 25% of it you want to sell? You click it. If I want to buy, I will decide, okay, I want to buy at the best market price. I'll come here and click market price, and I will decide the amount of Bitcoin I want to buy. I will type it here. Once I type it here, I click buy. And once I click buy, instantly, if you just place that market for you, because this one, I'm not the one deciding how much I want to buy now. I'm telling you that sell for me according to the best market price, or buy for me according to the best market price. So the store automatically place that order for you. Now, what about the stop loss, the stop limit order? The stop limit order, like I made mention, is once you have a market, you want to protect your assets so it will not go down. Now, I've bought my Bitcoin at 15,300, like I sold my Bitcoin. Or assuming I bought at 15,300, I say, oh, still, I want to sell. I don't want my market. I don't want this market to go against me. So therefore, this amount of Bitcoin I have that I bought it at 15,300. If this market is going back, please, I don't want this market to go below. If this market is going against me, maybe the market is now going to 15,200. I beg, sell for me. Or 15,250, sell for me. So what do you do there? You simply come here. You say, okay, I'm placing my stop. Your stop is called the trigger point. It is the trigger point. It's where if the market starts going against you, if it reaches that trigger point, it will place your order for you. So what are you saying in essence? This is the stop. Like I said, it is the trigger point. Remember that you don't want your market to go below 15,200. Let's use that, 15,200. But now you tell the student that, look, once this market gets to 15,250, now I'll put the amount, 15,250. Now once it gets to 15,250, please place a trigger for me. Now what do I now do now? I'll now come to my limit. Remember, I said that I don't want this market to go against me below 15,200. So I'll just simply come here and put 15,200. So what am I saying in essence? I've told the system that, look, please, I'm begging this system. I bought my Bitcoin at 15,300. And I hope that this market could get up to 15,500 or even 16,000. But if this market goes against me, please, this is my invalidation point, 15,250. Once this market gets to 15,250, please, this system should automatically trigger the market for me and sell my market for me at 15,200. So there, I cannot decide to place my market. I say, okay, sell 50% of my asset for me, and I will now place my order. Once I place the order, it will now give me a confirmation box. It will now tell me, say, okay, look, I put my BTC, my stop limit sell at 15,250. It should trigger for me at 15,250. If it gets to 15,250, the system should trigger for me and sell my BTC for me at 15,200. And it will sell for me. So if you say, if the last price drops to or below 15,250, an order to sell this amount of BTC at 15,200 will be placed. So in this type of trade, you want to make sure, so I will just simply click confirm. So once I click confirm, it will place my order for me. So anytime the market gets below that, it will automatically place the trade for me. Now it has protected my asset so that I will not have a further loss in that particular market. Then we have what we call the OCO. Although we did not discuss that in that slide, this also is a very important tool that can be of great benefit to you. What happens in OCO is called one cancel the order. That is, one order cancels the order, the second order. What do we mean by that? If you are trading and you can carry out two types of trade instant at the same time, you can place your limit order, and at the same time you place your stop limit. Your limit and your stop limit at the same time. Now, how does this work? Now, I want to see whether the same principle of 15,200. Now, I'm hoping that Bitcoin will get to 15,500 or even 16,000. That is what I want to sell on Bitcoin. So now I can come here and place. This is my price. I place at, say, 16,000. I place my Bitcoin at 16,000. Now, when this Bitcoin gets to 16,000, it should sell for me. But at the same time, what if this market is going against me? What will I do? If it starts going against me and I'm not there in the system, what do I need to do? Now, this is where the stop limit now comes in. You can now place your stop limit using that same principle we used before. You say 15,000. Once it gets to 15,250, the system should trigger for me and sell my Bitcoin for me at 15,200. I now place all the amount I want to trade or carry out for this trade. So what have we done here in essence? We place our price that we want to sell. This is my desired price at 16,000. But now, if this market goes against me, please do, anytime if it goes and it gets to 15,050, the system should automatically place my trade for me and sell the coin for me at 15,200. So once that is done, I click my sell button. You can follow the same principle in your buy. So what has happened? If you look at my chart now, you'll be seeing two signs there. You'll be seeing 16,000, then you'll be seeing 15,000, you'll be seeing 15,200 and rest. Look at how your order will look like now. See, it's just one single trader place, but you can see it is appearing in two places. It is appearing in two places. What has happened now? I've told the system that look, sell my coin for me at 16,000 for me. This is what I want to sell my coin. But if this market goes against me, at the same time, sell my coin. If it gets to 15,200, that is my condition, the trigger condition. Look at it here, trigger condition. Take note of that word, trigger condition. This is where the market will not trigger to sell for you if it is going against you. So if it gets to 15,200, it triggers and sells that coin for me at 15,200. So now we have placed two orders at the same time in just one single transaction. Now, what will now happen now? If this market goes up, keep going up, and it gets to 16,000, it will automatically sell it for me. And once that coin sells at 16,000, it will cancel this second one. It will cancel the one of the stop limit order. At the same time, too, if the market starts going against me and it sells and triggers at 16,250 and sells the coins for me, what will happen? It will automatically cancel my limit order, which is the one of 15,000. So you see now, we are playing with two cards here now. It's either it sells for you at the high price and cancels the other one, or it sells for you if the market is going against you and cancels the upper one. So this is just exactly how the order cancel, the OCO works. Once I cancel it, it automatically cancels everything about that particular transaction. So we can see how this can work. So we have the limit order, we have the market order, we have the OCO and the stop limit order. So this is just how you can carry out your transaction using these various tools. So now we want to head now to the slide section. So I've looked at those three other types, and we've seen how how we can use them. Please, if you have any questions, as soon as we finish, we'll be answering all your questions. So we have looked at those basic ways of carrying out trades on the Binance platform. Now, we want to look at two major types of trading, as in two major types of trading analysis. If you are a trader, there are two things that you must always have in mind. We have what we call the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis in trading. When you are a trader, you want to trade a particular coin, you have to carry out some analysis. You don't just jump into a market and start buying it. Hey, I heard that Bitcoin is good, you jump and go and buy Bitcoin. Oh, I heard that Tron is fantastic, you just go and buy it. It is very important that you understand the fundamentals and also the technicals of that particular asset that you want to carry out your transaction with. So what is technical analysis? Technical analysis is basically using price history and patterns, including trends that emerge to make predictions about the market. These are the charts we always see with multiple lines. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand what trading analysis is, and you could become a trading analysis user. How to use it. It's just very simple. It's a very simple tool. We are going to show you how that can be done. Then we have the fundamental analysis. It has to do with looking at the underlying factors that can affect an asset's value. You look at a lot of things like what is happening around this coin. How do people view this coin? Do they have social media handles? Are people really excited about this coin? Are people talking about it? Is the coin on the news? What are they saying? Are they saying good about it? Or are they saying bad about the coin? So these people, are you sure they're not coming? Are they not here for exit scam? All of these things, you must understand this thing. Is this coin going to stand the test of time, or is it going to be there for just a short while? So you must understand all of these basics about a coin. That is what we call the fundamentals. So for Bitcoin, this includes number of addresses that Bitcoin has, the hash rate, the trading volume. Look at all of these things. You must understand these things. Are people really buying this coin? Is it really traded in the market? There are so many coins that are out there that are not even traded in the market. People are marketing it. They're not in any exchange. People are marketing it. That is rubbish. You want to be very careful about such kind of coins. Any coin that you want to use, you want to ensure that this coin is traded in the market. You want to also look at the trading volume. Are people really buying it? Are people really selling it? Is there demand for it? All of these are what you look at. So this is what trading technical analysis and the fundamental analysis is all about. Now, what are the major tools in technical analysis? The main tools in technical analysis are the candlestick chart, the trend lines and support resistance. Then we have the common trading analysis indicators and how to use them. The RSI, the moving averages, the Bollinger Band. So we are going to look at all of these things one after the other. First of all, look at the candlestick. A candlestick is made up of 4 data points. Like I made mention, we might not have a lot of time to explain all of these things in details. You can take time to visit my YouTube channel. I will share the link to all of you. You can visit my YouTube channel. You'll see how I explain these candlesticks. And also, you can also use the Binance Academy platform. There you can see how this candlestick works. We have the four major data that the candlestick reveals to us. One is the open, the high, the low, and the close. We have the open, how the market is opened. Now, if you look at this chart here, you see this candlestick. For example, let's use this one as an example. At this bottom, you have the market open. This is where the market opened at a particular time frame. The market opened here, and this is the body of the market. This is where you have your high and your low. For example, you have your low here, which is the wick of the candle at the bottom. Then you have your high here, which is this top part of the wick of the candle. Then we have the closing market. This is where the market closed lastly. So you must understand this basic of a candlestick. There are just 4 data that it refers to us, or we could refer to them as the OHLC, that is the open, high, low, and the close value. So the open and close are the first and the last recorded price to the given time frame, while the low and high are the lowest and the highest recorded price respectively. So this is what the candlestick does. This candlestick chart, they are one of the most important tools for analyzing financial data. Candlesticks date back to the 17th century Japan, but has been refined in the early 20th century by trading pioneers such as the Charles Dow. Candlestick chart analyzes Candlestick chart analysis is one of the most common ways to look at the Bitcoin market using technical analysis, including other cryptocurrency assets we have in the market. Then we have a trend line. These trend lines, they are widely used tools by both traders and technical analysts. They are lines that connect certain data points on a chart. Typically, this data is the price, but not in all cases. Some traders may also draw trend lines on technical indicators and oscillators. The main idea behind drawing trend lines is to visualize certain aspects of the price action. This way, traders can identify the overall trend and market structure. We are going to look at this on the chart by the time I'm through with this. Then we also have the support and resistance. The support and resistance are some of the most basic concepts related to trading and technical analysis. When we talk about resistance, it's like we can compare resistance to the roof of a house. You want to jump over the roof of the house, but as you keep going, you meet a barrier, which is the ceiling. So it becomes very difficult for you to be able to break that ceiling and go to the next floor. So you have to work hard. Either you need to do some chiseling or some breaking for you to be able to cross that ceiling and go to the next floor of the building. That's what resistance is all about. So in trading, we have resistance. Basically, it is the level where the price finds a ceiling. A resistance level is an area of significant supply where sellers step in and push the price down. At that place, at that point, we have the sellers will not come in. Maybe they have been buying, the price is going up, going up, going up. At that point, sellers will not come in with full force and say, no, this price can never go beyond this place again. They will start dragging the price down. It has met a resistance. Then what about support? Support level is like the floor of the house, is the bottom. Yeah? As the price keeps going down, it gets to a point whereby buyers now step in and push the price up. They say, no, it cannot go below this point. So they will come in and they will start to push the price of the market upwards. That is what support and resistance stands for. So in the chart analysis, you always see this word support and resistance. It's just simply two reversal points in a trend pattern. As the market starts going up, if it meets a resistance, the market might start reversing back. The same thing, if it is going down, it needs a support, the market will not start reversing and start going up. So these two things are very key in trading. It helps you to know when to enter your market and when to exit your market. It's very important. If you don't understand these two things, you might be facing some challenge in your market and you start seeing that yourself on a serious loss. Then we have what we call the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. It is an indicator that illustrates whether a market is overbought or oversold. It's a momentum oscillator that shows the rate at which price changes happen. And it varies between 0 and 100. In basic analysis of the RSI, they say when the market is below 30, it means that the market has been oversold. You can see it here. But if it is above 30, above 70, it means that the market has been overbought. You know when they say a market has been oversold, it has been oversold. People don't sell. So people don't want to sell again. Buyers will not start coming in. At the same time, too, if it has been overbought, the people have bought, and in fact, the buyers are tired of buying. The buying strength will start reducing. What will happen? The sellers will start begging the buyers. I beg, no, can I come? We will remove price for you people. We will remove price for you. Don't want to come. They will start begging. And what will happen? The market will start going down. So these two things are two things that we must understand in the market. RSI helps us to be able to determine that. So we are going to just look at that briefly on the chart and see how it works. Then we have the moving averages, then the simple moving average, the exponential moving averages. All of these are help us to be able to understand price action, and it makes it easier for us to be able to spot a market trend. So they are based on previous price data, but they also lack predictive qualities. In other words, they are lagging indicators. So the moving averages, they are a trend line of its own that helps us to be able to understand, see how the price action moves. I'm going to show you briefly on the chart how you can be able to make use of these tools, how you can search out for them and make use of them. We have the Bollinger Band. This is made up of 3 lines or bands. They have the one that is at the middle is the simple moving average line, and the upper and lower bands. So these bands are then overlaid on a chart along with the price action. The idea is that as volatility increases or decreases, the distance between these bands changes. It's either they expand or they contract. So these two things are very, very important. So now we want to just look briefly on the chart, and then, sorry, I'm not supposed to stop the screen. Please, Omar, I hope you are helping us to take the pictures.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So we want to look at the chart section, and then see how we can use these tools that I made mention of. Remember, we talked about the trend line, we talked about the candlestick, we talked about the moving averages, we talked about the RSI. Yeah? So we want to just look at them briefly. We cannot take everything now. I know a lot of persons might want to be saving their data and the rest. Let's just look at it very, very quick and see how we can touch these tools, how we can pinpoint them and make use of them. So the chart is coming up. Let it just load up. Okay. Please just give me 1 minute. Let me just power the light. The power is disappointed on this. Okay, sorry for that. Sorry for that. So this is just the chart we're talking about. These are the candlesticks that we are talking about. So, like I made mention of the candlesticks, these are different time frames. So you, as a trader, you can decide to place your time frame to the particular time that you wish. Remove this thing away from the shared application. All right. So this is the candlestick. So this where you see where you can carry out your various data. This is the candlestick. Like I made mention of before, the candlestick helps. It shows you 4 data. You have your opening point, your closing point, the highest level, and the lowest level. Now we want to select a particular market. Let's go to this one, this candle here. Now, if you look at this candle, if you look at as I'm moving this candle, you notice that these figures above, they are changing. Look at these figures. You're checking at these figures. Remember, we talked about the OHLC, the open, the high, the low, and the close. So now look at this candle, for example. This date is 20th of October 2021 and 2020, and 21st of October 2020. Now, that candle now, what do we see there? If you look at the OHLC, you see that the market, the Bitcoin price on this particular date of 21st of October, is open, and at the time is 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock on the dot on that particular date, the price opened at $11,910. That was the opening price. It went to the highest price of $13,217, the highest, and it went to the lowest price of 11,886, and it closed at 12,700. That is the closing price. That is the closing price at $12,780. So this is what the candlestick does for you. So it helps you to be able to know the price activities. So these are the various time frames of your market. These are the various time frames. So it will help you to know what has transpired with that particular asset over that period of time. Then we have other tools that we're going to talk about. If you come here, you click on your settings. There you can select your, okay, these ones are for background, sorry. Good. So here you can, at this top here, you can see your time. You can set your candlestick on different time frames. These are different time intervals. Like presently now, I'm using the daily time interval, 1 day time interval. So these are different days. This is 21st of September. This is 22nd of September, 23rd of September. One day time interval. I can decide to use 3 days. I can decide to set my time intervals at 1 hour. I want to see the price behavior in hourly fashion. So look at what it's telling me now. This is how Bitcoin has behaved in the previous hour. Like in this particular hour that we are right now, which is 17:00. You see, actually it's 18:00. My time is one hour behind time. You see the price behavior here. Look at the previous market. In the previous 1 hour, the price opened at 15,338. It was as high as 15,410. It was as low as 15,100, and it closed at 15,350 before it now moves to the next time frame. So you must understand how these time frames work. So you as a trader, you're able to decide what time frame you want to use. I can decide to set my time frame in 15 minutes. So that I'll be able to know the shortest, especially these are used by people who are scalping. They want to make quick trade within minutes. They want to trade and get out of the trade, go into the next one, just like that. So they use the shorter time frame to be able to analyze their market. But they'll see how the coin has behaved within a few minutes. So you see this one now, this at 4 o'clock, this at 4:15, this at 4:30. So you can see the time frame at the bottom. You'll be seeing it at the bottom. That's why you'll be seeing the time frame at the down part. So look at this line here. You see the time frame there, the date and the time frame. Then at this point, you see the different openings. So this is just how it works. Then now, if you want to work with your trend line, how your trend line works, you can use your trend line to analyze your market, to see how your market is behaving, whether it is going up or going down. You click on this arrow here, you see your trend line. Then you can now select your line, you choose the weight, the thickness of your line. If you want it to be very thick or you want it to be slim, depending on what you want. You can change your color to whatever you want. So you can place your trend line on any of the markets. There are some principles you must understand about a trend line. One, if you are placing a trend line, for example, I'm placing this trend line. So this particular market. There are certain things you must understand. Your trend line must touch 3 points at least. 3 points on your candlestick must be touched. If you are using the top of it, it must touch 3 points, 3 top points. Now I want to let me use a particular trend that will be very easy for us. Let me go to the daily chart. Now, okay, this is just something that I was already doing. Let me delete that line. So this is what I'm just talking about. For example, I want to place put a trend line. The trend line can either be, it could be that you want your trend line to touch the wick. If you are using the lower market, which you call the lower low, you are using your line to touch the wick. Some persons prefer to use it to touch the body. That is either the open market or the closed market. So people use these lines in that way. But you must ensure that if you are drawing your trend line, it should touch at least 3 points. At least 3 points. Let me use this trend line as an example. Let me delete this other one, so I will not be confused at seeing plenty lines at the same time. Now, this line now, for example, I said I want to use this line to analyze something. I place this line on this particular candle. Say I'm touching the body. of this candle. I place it there. So I will now set my candle, and I will ensure that at least 3 lines, 3 spots are touched. Now it's not touching any other spot apart from the first one. I can decide to bring it down. So now you can see that it's touching at least 3 lines. With this, you could also use to analyze your market to see how many times this particular market gets to this point. You need to be able to determine if your market is going up or going down. With this, you could also analyze your market. So this market is going up. Like when I did my last analysis on Bitcoin, I knew that Bitcoin was going above $15,000. It was going above $15,000. So with that, you could predict your market and say, okay, this market is going up. Let me place a trade and buy. So if you have to tell you if the market is going bullish or if it is going bearish, that is, if it is going down. So this is the principle of drawing your trend line. Then we now have those other tools that we made mention of, the RSI, the moving average. Now, from this, your settings, here you see your settings. Please, if you are using a mobile device, you might be seeing this interface in a different limelight. Always, like I made mention, my YouTube channel, here I use more of a mobile device to create videos, the mobile app of Binance to create videos. So you could use that to see how this thing works. It might be, the interface might be strict a little so that you not get confused. So you use these tools here to be able to see your technical indicators. So this is your technical indicators tool section. So you bring this here, you just come to the search button. For example, you are looking for your moving average. Remember your RSI. Remember, we said that the RSI is used to determine if your market is overbought or oversold. So we click on RSI. Once you click on the RSI, it gives us the RSI data. It has given us our RSI data. So you can see it there. So it will be showing you the information at each market point. It will be showing you the information. This is using a 14 time frame to analyze. And now at this point, it is telling you that the RSI is at 77. You see the information here. As I'm putting those candles, always sure to look at this point. You see this in purple color. You are seeing it's 77. So anytime I'm moving this arrow, that number will be changing. Tell you a particular time frame what the RSI is at that time. So now at this particular point, now it's telling you that the RSI is 84, meaning that Bitcoin has been oversold. It has been oversold. And anything could happen to the market. At that point, it has been overbought. It has been overbought. The buyers might start weakening now because people now is FOMO. People start being afraid. Let's not buy now again. No, we might buy now. This market might just crash us and we'll lose our money. So the buyers now will now start becoming afraid to buy. The sellers now, they will be like, come now, come and buy now, or we will remove price for you. Come now, we'll remove price for you. Before you know, the price will start doing what? Will start reversing, going down. But assuming this value is below 30, if it is below 30, at that point, you could say that the market is what? Is oversold. You can see as we are going further, you can see, let me go to a particular market where we had an oversold information. Okay, fine. Look at this particular market now, this date of 12/12, as in 12th of March 2020. At that point, Bitcoin, that particular market, you see that the RSI is 15.0. It was low, they've oversold Bitcoin. They've oversold. Bitcoin went to as low as 7,900. They've oversold. So what will happen? The market now starts reversing. The trend starts coming back. And that is how the market started moving. And if you check, since that time, the Bitcoin has never gone back to that particular amount again. From that day onward, Bitcoin started moving up because they've oversold. So any person that knows that secret at that particular time will just go and rush Bitcoin and buy Bitcoin that time. If you're a long time holder, you buy and you can decide you want to hold it for some time. And by now, you have made double, 100% of your investment from that particular day you bought that Bitcoin at 7,900. So these are some of the secrets in the market that this your technical analysis can help you to do. Then, if you want to use the moving averages, when the moving averages, you just simply type MA, you see your moving average. The moving average line will just come up. This is the blue line you are seeing here. That's the moving average line. It helps you to be able to know the price action, how the market is moving. Just see the wave as it is moving there, and you want to tell how the market is moving. So let's read that. Then, if you want to look at the EMA, the exponential moving average, you also see it there. The moving average exponential also gives you this information there. So that is how those ones are used. So with these tools here, you can also see the various tools that you could use. Then the Bollinger Band too. We talked about the Bollinger Band. Bollinger. Sorry, double L. The Bollinger Band. So you can see the Bollinger Band. You see three lines. They have three trend lines. The top, the bottom, which is the simple moving average line that is at the middle, and lower one. So as the market moves, the behavior of the market will determine whether the Bollinger Band will expand or it will contract. All of these things have their own information that they provide for traders. So as you keep studying these things, you keep knowing more of how these things work. So these are the basic technical analysis tools that we have. There are so many of them. If you click these trading and indicators, you see so many of them here that you could use effectively. You cannot learn all of them one day. So as you keep practicing, you will know how these things work. So we want to go to a very, very important aspect of our class this evening, which is how to fund your Binance account. Before we look at this remaining aspect of the class, how to fund your Binance account. Now, we want to bring it back home. We are all Nigerians. Basically, most of us here are Nigerians. You have your money in your bank account. You have created your Binance account. That if I send you a link, you will create your Binance account. Now, you've created your Binance account. You've done your KYC, which I will also show you how to do your KYC maybe in not today's class, subsequently. You will show you how to do it, but it's very simple. You just put your information, your ID card. Now it's very easy now that you can also use your BVN to create your KYC. Very simple. You just here you put your BVN. Once you put your BVN, Binance will verify your account for you, and straight away you can start carrying out your transaction almost immediately. You don't need to go through so many processes again. BVN has made it very simple. Just provide your BVN and that will be done for you. Then also we have we want to look at that now. You have your Naira now in your account, and you want to buy, maybe you want to buy Bitcoin. You have money in your account, you want to buy Bitcoin. What do you need to do? How do you go about that? Now that is what I'm going to show you right now. What you need to do. Now, you want to buy Bitcoin. You can simply go to your bank deposit. You come here to your dashboard, you see buy crypto, you click on bank deposit. What do? It takes you to the bank deposit section. Take us there right now. Because we've had this thing that so many people will call it, they want to buy Bitcoin, 5,000 Naira Bitcoin. They don't know what to do. They'll start calling you, I want to buy Bitcoin, 10,000 Naira Bitcoin. You don't need to call somebody to do that. You can simply do it on your own. You just go to your Binance account and you can just fund your account immediately and buy what you want to buy. So now this is it. You see, now they're recommending us that we could do bank transfer. Binance charges you only 150 Naira. Even if you are doing up to 3 million Naira transaction, Binance will charge you just 150 Naira to fund your Binance account. It's very, very cheap. It's the cheapest that we can think of in the market. 150 Naira to fund your Binance account, even if it's 3 million, even if it's 18 million, as high as 18 million Naira that you will fund in your wallet. So this is it. This is your Nigerian bank account. There, you must have put your bank details. Remember, when you are doing your KYC, you provide your bank details. You make sure that you put all your bank information there. So you just come to this place and then you come here. This is your bank card deposit. So this Nigerian naira. Good. So this is through the bank transfer. So you come here and you type the amount you want to type. Say, let's say 3,000 naira. So once I put that, I want to credit my account with 3,000 naira. If you show me the amount fees that they will charge me 150 naira. So that means what I will see in my Binance account will be 2,850 naira. I click continue. So now this is the continue section. If you now show me this information, that look, please proceed to your banking app. You go to your mobile app and complete this bank transfer. You have to pay 3,000 naira. So what do I do now? I simply go to my banking app. I simply go to my banking app and carry out the transaction very instantly. Once I go to my app, I will put this account number where I need to put the account number. Then I will now you check on Wema Bank. Wema Bank is the bank that they use. This number normally changes, so don't go and save it in your mobile app. This number is used to change. So anytime you want to do a transaction, always ensure to copy the actual number that is shown to you. So you copy it and you pay money to this account from your bank app. Once you've credited it, once you've paid, your account has shown successful. You just simply come to this place and click that I have made the bank transfer. You just see how it works now. I want to just do it very fast because the practical section. The number is 78298 09533. Click now. Search for Wema Bank. Is the bank that they are using. Click on Wema Bank to show me where I'm paying the money to. Say Binance Holding Limited. I'm paying 3,000 naira into the account. So the money is now being sent. So for my own app, it has shown me that I've done the transfer successfully. So what do I do now? I just simply come here that I have made the payment. I click I have made the payment. And if you just be counting this time for me, check here now, you see the timing. It's already timing for me now. In the next 4 minutes, probably my Binance account should be credited with 2,850 naira. Remember, they are collecting 150 naira transaction fee for that 3,000 naira that I made. So in less than 4 minutes, you see that my Binance account will be credited with 2,850 naira. It is 2,850 naira because they've collected 150 naira as their service charge. So while we are waiting for that to happen, we want to go back to our slide. While we're waiting for that transaction to confirm. So we want to look at very, very fast these three aspects of trading. Those who are doing trading, they will have what we call scalping in trading. Scalping, some people who have been in my class before, they should be able to understand this. Scalping takes place across the small time frame. It's just you want to trade within the hour, maybe within 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Some scalpers, they can carry out 20 trades even within 1 hour. Their aim is just to scalp, make small profit within a short time. They don't want to waste time. So you just scalp within minutes or even seconds. They carry out a trade, make small profit. It could be 0.00% profit. They also be doing that. So they can carry out that trade, save value, and over time they could be able to make some good profit. Maybe at the end of the day, they will make like 5% of their trading capital. And they are okay with that. And they keep doing this every day. Although it's a very serious form of trading, but it's very, very good. So due to the short time frame, scalp trades often target only a small percentage of profit, usually less than 1%. But scalping is a number game. So repeated small profits can add up over time. Scalping is by no means a beginner's strategy. An in-depth understanding of the market, the platform you are trading on, and the technical analysis are very vital to success. So when you are scalping, it's not just you must understand the principle of scalping. If not, you just lose your money. Because you must understand how the market is moving, because the market moves very fast. You must know how you scalp and you carry out a trade instantly. Then we have day trading. Day trading is what you see in pretty much every movie involving Wall Street. People who are carrying out day trading, they trade within the hours of the day. Like in crypto market, in the forex market, they trade between Mondays to Fridays, and they have time frame of the market, when the market opens and when the market closes. But that is not the way it is in cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency market is open 247, 24 hours a day, 7 hours a week, 365 days a year. It is open. Even in the midnight, you can trade in cryptocurrency. That is the beauty of the cryptocurrency trading market. So there is no particular day the market will open and when it will close. No. The market is there 247. As a trader, you only know your 24-hour time frame. You can decide that you want to be trading your 24 hours in between 12 o'clock in the midnight to 12 o'clock the following midnight. You can decide that. Somebody can say 1 a.m. in the morning to 1 a.m. the following morning is your own 24-hour time frame. So you as a trader, you'll be able to set your own day trading time frame. So a day trader basically just focuses on carrying out his trade within his own time frame that he has set for himself, and determine which asset he wants to take. So because this profit, such as the profit in such a short period can be minimal, so you may opt to trade across a wide range of assets to try and maximize your return. So that is what day traders do. They can trade different assets within that time frame, so they can be able to maximize their profits over that period of 24 hours of their own time that they're choosing for themselves. But remember, the cryptocurrency market doesn't have any closing time. They will have swing traders. Swing traders, they work with large time horizons. They can trade, they can place open a position for a couple of days or even a couple of months. It could be 2 months, 3 months, it could be 2 days, 3 days, it could be 5 days, it could be 1 week, it could be 6 weeks. So they buy a market at a low price. They identify the particular market that the market is low. Like we did analysis on that Bitcoin. Somebody that bought Bitcoin at 7,900 during March. You understand the market, the swing trader will place his market there, he buy it then and leave the market to sell it now. He's making 100% profit within March and November. He's making 100% profit. That is the beauty of a swing trader. They target a large volume of profit and leave the market over a certain period of time to make their profit. So that is what swing trading is all about. You monitor your market as it swings, and you decide to place your trade. So now we want to go back to our chart and see what we are doing then. So okay, beautiful. So my market payments are currently slow at your bank. Those payments are usually confirmed within 30 minutes. You will get a receipt once your payment is confirmed. This is from our bank. This is not Binance own case again. Our Nigerian banks sometimes they can be very funny. So I have to wait for the bank to confirm my payment. But that notwithstanding, I can see go back to my account, to my wallet, and see check if maybe the money has entered. Sometimes it might enter maybe because the bank did not respond on time to okay. All right, let it just load. So I'll be able to know if the money actually entered. If it has actually entered. Okay. Let me go to my transaction history to see if the money has entered or not while we are waiting. Okay. So it has not entered. Okay, let me look at cash. This is my history in cash. Okay, beautiful. So you can see here now, the 2,850 naira has successfully entered into my account. It has entered. So this is just in a short while. The money has reflected in my account. You can see it here, 2,850 naira. This was just done just now. This is 2020 1107 by 1720. That is 620. This transaction was done. So now that we have, this is just how you can debit money into your account. You can always view your money, your account. You can see your overview. The overview here, you see overview of your assets. Then the various assets you have, you see the overview there. You can see your overview of your assets. Here you see the estimated that you have. There you see your spot wallet, different coins that are there in your spot wallet. You see there. Now, if you want to trade, now you've created your account. You want to buy Bitcoin with that money that you credited into your account. What you simply do is to go to the market. So this is the money here that has entered. I'll simply go to trade. I go to trade. I say I want to trade it with BTC. I want to buy BTC with it. You can simply trade it with BTC. Oh, I want to buy Tron with it. You can simply trade Nigerian Naira and Tron. You just simply go here and trade it. So let's assume that I want to buy BTC with that amount. It takes us to the market. So it has got us here. So what do we do now? We simply go, okay, I want to buy Bitcoin. Now, this is the Nigerian price in Naira. This is the amount of Bitcoin. Bitcoin now, presently, the current market price now is 7,097, then 7,097,979 Naira. That is 7.097 million Naira for one Bitcoin at now. So I just want to buy at market price. I don't want to waste time. I just come and I want to buy at market price. With all the money I have there, which is this, to give me this amount of BTC. If I don't see this market will go, okay, beautiful. So it has placed on market. I bought Bitcoin with that money I have. So it has added to my Bitcoin portfolio. So I go to my history now. I will see the transaction that was done, my trade history. See it now. I just bought Bitcoin now and this. And see there it has displayed. So this is just the simple way to buy your Bitcoin. Then if you want to also withdraw, your money. You want to withdraw money from our account. You go to withdraw and you type the amount, the currency you want to withdraw, Naira. If it's Bitcoin, type the amount you want to withdraw, then you withdraw. If you are withdrawing Naira into your bank account, remember you must have put bank account in the system. You have to charge 300 for your withdrawal. If you draw you want to do, you have to charge you 300 Naira. If you hope to meet whomever is there, please. So they will charge you 300 Naira for withdrawal. You can withdraw to your bank account instantly. Once you convert your Bitcoin to Naira from your exchange, you can withdraw your Naira. It takes you about 24 hours for that your process transaction to be carried out. But personally, I don't use this method to withdraw money from my account. What method do I use? I use my P2Pay method to carry out a withdrawal. If I have Bitcoin, I don't need to even go and change the Bitcoin to Naira. I simply go to the P2Pay exchange. What do I mean by that? Now, let's go to the trade section. Trade, look at the P2Pay market. You go to the P2Pay market there, you carry out your trading there. So what do? I go to my wallet first, my spot wallet. I will now move the amount of money I want to move to my P2Pay market. Say I want to trade, I want to sell some Bitcoin. I need some cash. I have Bitcoin in my wallet. I need 10,000 Naira right now. I will just simply go to transfer. I will go to transfer this money. Sorry. trade. So you'll be able, you first of all transfer your funds from your wallet straight to your P2Pay account, your P2Pay trading account. These are the various markets. I don't know if it's necessary that it's coming up now. So you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to sell Bitcoin, you can click I want to sell because you are selling your Bitcoin. So you click the amount of you look at different people who are selling, who are buying. You are selling to them. So all the people here now, these are buyers. This person is buying for 7.1 million. This other person is buying for 7,083,000 for one Bitcoin. But it depends on the amount. You see the amount that they are buying. This person is his market. He buys his Bitcoin from 500,000 to 1 million. So if your Bitcoin that you want to sell is up to 500,000, you can trade with this person. This person says his one is from 100,000 to 1 million. So you will now start searching. Oh, because you only sold 10,000 naira that you want to trade with. You simply look for who is selling for 10,000 naira. At the moment now, you start searching. You go to the next section and search for who is going to sell for that amount. Okay, we still want 10,000 naira here. This is say it's selling from 10,000 naira to 1 million naira. You click on this particular person that okay, I want to sell. Once you click on the button, you come here, you type the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. By that time, you must have transferred Bitcoin to your Pay2Pay wallet. So I'll create a video on my YouTube channel and show you how you can transfer with your mobile app. You transfer money straight to your you just click transfer and you type the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer to your Pay2Pay wallet and it comes straight to your Pay2Pay account. So once you click the amount you want to sell, you put your account number that is there. This is my account number here already. Once you've done that, you just click sell. Once you click sell, this person that you click now will automatically credit your account. It's Pay2Pay directly. He will pay money to your account. And the good thing about Pay2Pay trading or Pay2Pay withdrawal is that it's zero fee. Nobody is charging you any kobo for it. So you just carry out your trade very instantly here and you withdraw. And in less than 15 minutes, 10 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes, your transaction is done. You see your money right inside your bank account. And you will now transfer the Bitcoin to the person. Because right there, once the person has done the transaction, the payment is confirmed, Binance will now tell you transfer the Bitcoin. You just click transfer, put your security code, and the Bitcoin automatically goes to the other person. So this is just a simple way to carry out your Pay2Pay market. For the sake of time, we will not go deep into this. But maybe subsequently we could dedicate a special class just for the Pay2Pay market. So you want to see how you can place a trade on Pay2Pay, how you can place your own advert, how you can carry out a trade successfully on Pay2Pay and the rest. So that is what the Pay2Pay market does for us. So we've seen how this whole thing works. So I believe that as it stands now, most of us can create our Bitcoin account, our Binance account very successfully. Now, we are getting to the end of this class. We are getting to the end of this class. We've seen how we can place a trade on Binance. We can see how we can buy and sell cryptos by local currency. We can see how we can set our chart on Binance. Now, my advice is that if you do not have a Binance account now, please ensure to own your account. Ensure to own an account now. If you see here, they say sign up and trade your first crypto this week and earn $5. We have just now and the next couple of days. If you can carry out a trade on Binance, Binance will give you $5 instantly on your account. They'll give you $5 instantly on your account. And also too, if after this class, we also like us to go to our Twitter account. Go to your Twitter account and follow Binance Africa. Follow Binance Africa on Twitter account. Oh, this thing is blocking me. Fine. So you follow Binance Africa. Look at it at Binance Africa on Twitter. Ensure to follow Binance Africa. It is very, very important. And also ensure to follow me on Twitter too. My name is my Twitter handle is at Go Salon. I'll post it on the message section at Go Salon. There you can follow me there, and you can tell on Twitter, tell us how you feel about this class that you participated today. How was it? Did you benefit from the class? Did you learn anything? And then you can share it on Twitter. It's very, very important. And when you share on Twitter, ensure that you tag at Binance Africa, and also ensure that you put hashtag my Binance class. This is very, very important. Ensure that you do that. Then also, if you want to become a Binance tutor, you could do that too. This class is a very, very powerful class that Binance is doing. Like you see, at the end of this class, if I'm able to perform very well, I'm going to end up with $500 from Binance for carrying out this class. If I follow the procedures very well, I'm going to end up with $500. You too can also do the same. You can become a tutor if you are passionate about teaching. You could spread the knowledge with your community. You can apply to become a Binance tutor. So you can chat me up after now, and I'll give you the guide on how you too can become a Binance tutor. So, and please don't forget to follow the various Binance handles. We have the Binance on Facebook. We have Binance Nigerian Telegram community. We have Binance Nigeria. We have the Binance South Africa, and so on. You can follow Binance Nigerian Telegram community so that you can also get updates on what is really happening on the Binance platform. So this is where we're going to drop the class for today. Thank you all for participating. My name is Golomo Stanley. So please give us your review at the end of this class. The review is very, very important. Your review is very, very important. Like I said before, if you go to the Binance platform, I want to drop my link here on this chat so that okay, somebody asked a question. Say, what is the minimum amount to be traded? The minimum amount you can trade is $10. You can trade with minimum of $10. But if you want to participate in the Binance bonus, the $5 bonus, you must trade up to $20 on Binance. And you must use my referral link to sign up for you to be able to benefit from that trade. It is very, very important. And also, please don't forget, I will drop a Google form. At the end of this class, I will send a Google form to all of you that are invited to this program. I will send a Google form. Please ensure to fill that Google form. Tell me how you feel about the class, what you learned briefly, a very brief form that you could fill. It is very, very important that you do that for us. We will appreciate that so much. Then what is the name of your app where all these trades can be carried out? This is the Binance app. The Binance app, www.binance.com. That is the app that we are talking about here. It's the Binance exchange, the biggest exchange in the world. If you use that platform to carry out all of these trades that was just shown here, it's very, very simple and practical that you could use them. Then I want to drop an information here briefly. Okay, what I will do, I will not want to waste too much time. I will drop the Binance link on WhatsApp, and you could chat me up. I could share the link with you that you could use to register your Binance account so that you can participate in the $5 bonus that is coming from Binance. Please ensure to use that link that will be shared to you. If you don't use that link, you will not benefit from that bonus. If you've not created your account, if you've already created your account with my Binance link before now, and you've not carried out a trade on Binance before, you've not deposited money on your Binance account, you've not done any of such, you could also benefit from this $5 bonus. What you just simply need to do is to be able to carry out a trade. Credit your account with at least $20. That is about 10,000 naira. Trade it. Use it to buy Bitcoin or anything. You'll be able to participate in that $5 bonus from Binance. It is a bonus that Binance is giving to all those that participate in this program today. So please, let us follow this simple procedure. Please, your review is highly needed on Twitter. Very, very important for us. So I'll be expecting to see all of you on Twitter. My Twitter handle is Go Salon. my Twitter handle is goes along. I want to just drop it quickly on the chat. It goes along. That is my Twitter handle. In case you are not seeing it, to everyone, my Twitter handle is at Go Salon. That is my Twitter handle. Then Binance handle is at Binance Africa. Africa. Then also, if you, when you are sending your review, always remember to hashtag my Binance class. Always hashtag my Binance class in your Twitter when you are tweeting. This is very, very important so that the Binance team could be able to see your messages. Tell us how you feel about this class. If you enjoy the class, we appreciate it very much. So we want to just go straight to the question and answer session. If you have any question you want to ask, please just do that, indicate that by raising your hand so that we can answer it very briefly, so that we can run out quickly. Any questions? Do we have any questions? Okay. I can see Mr. Michael Osiga. Okay, please, can you unmute your mic and ask your question?
Okay. Thank you, Stanley.
Yes.
I have many questions, but I will just ask one for today.
Okay.
I have a Binance account already.
Okay.
I've not been able to trade.
Okay.
But I don't know how to place a trade. I don't know how to all that. But I have funded it.
Okay.
I have bought some coins using Binance there, transfer out and all that.
Okay.
I have a situation where I have about 4,000 naira in my account. I wanted to use it to buy Bitcoin, and they told me that the minimum must be 5,000. So, but I was surprised you were able to buy with just 2,000 naira this evening.
Okay. I understand what you are asking now. Yes. You see, what I did is that I did a spot trade. I did not just go to the direct swap. What you did is almost like, you call it almost like a swap. You just go to where you can just buy Bitcoin. The convert section. You are just converting your naira to Bitcoin. There is a limit of transaction you can carry out there. But if you go through the spot trading section, there you can trade as low as 3,000 naira. So you just simply go to trade. You simply go to trade. You go to spot. Spot trading. Ensure that it's on spot trading. Then you select the market pair, say Bitcoin stroke Nigerian naira. You just simply type NGN. You see NGN BTC. So you click on that market. See your market price. You can just click on the market order. Click on market order. Then put in the amount you want to sell, and you place the order. It will sell for you. It will buy for you instantly. But if you are going to convert, there's a limit. You can do a minimum of 5,000 naira there.
Okay. Thank you very much. Then a quick one again. A quick one. When I buy some pairs on Binance, I will just buy it and keep it on my wallet like that. Then they will tell me that I don't have order. I don't know how to get that order.
Okay, I don't have an order.
I don't know. Normally I buy some pairs in the market, and when I go to my wallet, I find them. They say I don't have order yet.
Another simply means that you have a market that has not been transacted yet. If you have a market that you have placed, but it has not been transacted yet, it is an order. So, but once your transaction has been confirmed, you have bought your coin, You carry out your
Yes.
transaction process. Your order will,
Yes.
will conclude, and you will not have any open order anymore. You get? So it
Okay.
is only when your market, your order has
Yes.
not been executed, the transaction you place has not been executed, it is still an
Okay.
open order. Then once it has been executed, that order has been concluded.
Okay, like those coins I have in different coins I bought, I have in my wallet there in Binance.
Yes.
How do I bring out profit from them? That's what I don't really understand.
The coins you bought.
I bought them at
The profit, you yourself will be able to know your profit if you're on profit or you're on loss. If you bought, you should also know how much you bought. That is why, as a trader, you must know the amount you are buying. You don't just go and buy. It is important that you know the amount you are buying so that you know whether you are on profit or not. At the same time, you can check your overview to know the amount you had last. What is the total amount? Is it because Binance will measure your amount in Bitcoin and it will show you the equivalent in dollar or in naira.
Yes.
I will
Yes,
create
it
a
shows
video to
it.
show you
Yes.
how to change your currency from naira to dollar and dollar back to naira. So you will be seeing your equivalent in BTC and also in dollar. So you'll be able to know if you're on profit, if your asset if your portfolio is on profit or on loss. So you must know how much you bought the coin,
Okay.
and if you want to know the current price to know if you're on profit or you're on loss.
Okay.
I hope you are clear now.
Thank you very much. Yes.
Okay. So we have on that hand
Yeah,
somebody that is
thank
looking at again, Mr. Kingsley. You can unmute your mic and talk.
Not everybody has time to go and be learning.
Your volume is low. Your volume is low.
I want to find out if one can actually, for example, because maybe I don't have time. If I have some money, can I give people business like yourself? And then give me some every month.
Yes.
Possible like that.
Okay, it's very possible. Binance has a lot of products. We have the Binance N, we have the Binance Savings, we have the Binance Launch Pool. We cannot discuss all of them in this class. These are different financial products for those who don't have time to trade. Not everybody must trade. Some people might not have time to trade. You just have money you want to put in your Binance savings. You can save money in your Binance and you can be earning returns on daily basis. And at the end of the month, you want to know how much you earn. They calculate their percentage on the annual percentage yield. They calculate it based on the annual percentage profit. So, but they will not break it down into days. So you'll be earning on daily basis. At the end of the month, if you have volume of money, you could be able to make something reasonable at the end of the month. So you can do that, carry out that process. You could also carry out Binance staking. There are various staking platforms from Binance. They can stake on different cryptocurrencies and you earn returns from it. So without going to stress yourself to go and trade if you don't have time. So you can just save money on Binance. I hardly keep money in the bank. I keep my money on exchanges. So long as they are reputable exchanges like Binance, I can keep my money there and I trade. And I can save money there. I can stake my coins and the rest. Like I do Binance staking. I stake funds with my Binance coins. I carry to farm on different coins and I earn different cryptocurrencies almost every month. Even if they are small. I'm just stockpiling them. If they're not too reasonable for me, I convert them to Binance coin again and increase the volume of a Binance coin. So these are various things that you could do on Binance platform. Is it clear to you now, Mr. Kingsley?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay. Thank you very, very much. So, do we have another question again? Okay.
I said so many people have left because of time.
Yes, of course. So, want to appreciate all of you for coming. For those staying to the end, we appreciate all of you, Mr. Ogene Caro, Prince Ransom, Kingsley Umazi, Michael Etiga. In fact, you guys are the ones that stayed from the beginning of the program down to the end of this program. And then we really appreciate you so much. So much. And we'll see how we can also benefit from this whole program in the long run. Like I said earlier, if you want to become a Binance tutor, you see that you can speak very well, you feel that you could handle the class like this, please reach out to me so that I can give you the guide on how you could also participate in this Binance program and earn as high as $500 for carrying out training programs like this. Binance is looking for people like that. And we also have the Binance affiliate program that is launched. I will also share it with you so that you can see how you can participate in the Binance affiliate program where you can earn extra income for recommending people to come and carry out trades on Binance. So thank you all for joining this class today. We appreciate it so much, and we hope to chat more on our WhatsApp group and see what the outcome will be. Thank you very much. So we are going to draw the curtain for the class today. I hope to see you again. By God's grace, we will have another program of such where we are going to learn a specific kind of trading and see how we can benefit from it. So thank you very much. Once again, my name is Golomo Stanley, and I hope to see you again. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.